In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete IC Markets demo account. Here's the real situation you need to know before you do anything. IC Markets demo accounts are temporary by design. If you stop using them, they automatically expire after a period of inactivity, typically around 30 days. That means, in most cases, you don't need to delete anything manually. You can simply leave the account alone, stop logging in or placing trades, and it will quietly disappear on its own. This is the easiest and recommended approach because demo accounts are separate from your live account and won't affect your real funds, verification, or trading history. If you prefer the account to be removed right away, the direct route is to contact support. Start by logging into your IC Markets client area. Locate your demo account details so you know exactly which one you want removed. Then reach out to their support team using the official contact methods listed on the IC Markets website, ideally from the same email address you registered with. In your message, clearly request that your demo account be deleted or removed. IC Markets confirms that demo account deletion requests are handled through support, so this is the proper channel if you want immediate action. Keep your request concise and include the relevant demo account information you saw in your client area to help them process it quickly. There's also a third option that can tidy up what you see on your trading platform, but it doesn't delete the account on IC Markets servers. If you're using MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5, open the platform, go to the Accounts or Manage Accounts section, right-click the demo account you want to hide, and choose Delete or Remove. On CTrader, you'll find a similar remove or logout option, so the account no longer appears in your list. This is great for decluttering your platform and avoiding accidental logins, but remember, it's only a local removal. The account itself still exists with IC Markets until it expires automatically, or support deletes it for you. To recap, the simplest method is to do nothing, and let the demo account expire after inactivity. If you need it gone now, contact support through the official channel after logging in and noting your demo account details. And if you just want to clean up your platform, remove the account from MT4, MT5, or CTrader, knowing that it won't erase it on the server side.